Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome when it always opens minimized and set it to open maximized instead. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop. This is the icon you typically click to launch the browser. Once you've found it, right-click on the Chrome shortcut icon. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Properties at the bottom. This opens a window where you can adjust various settings for how Chrome launches. Now, make sure you're on the Shortcut tab at the top of the Properties window. This tab contains all the important launch settings for Chrome. Here you'll see several fields and options that control how the browser behaves when you open it. Look for the section labeled Run, which should be located in the middle area of this window. Next to Run, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available window size options. From the drop-down list that appears, select Maximized. This setting tells Chrome to always open in full screen mode rather than minimized or in a normal-sized window. By choosing Maximized, you ensure that every time you launch Chrome, it will automatically fill your entire screen, giving you the best viewing experience without having to manually resize the window each time. After selecting Maximized, click the Apply button at the bottom of the Properties window. This saves your new settings. You can then click OK to close the Properties window. These changes will take effect the next time Chrome starts, but for the settings to fully take hold and work consistently, you'll need to restart your computer or laptop. Go ahead and do a complete restart now. Once your system reboots and you open Chrome again, it should now launch in maximized mode every single time. This simple adjustment eliminates the frustration of having to resize your browser window manually after every launch, making your browsing experience much smoother and more efficient right from the start. And that's it. You've successfully configured Chrome to always open maximized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.